Hi, I'm Chris Colvin. I'm a partner at the law firm of Practice LLP, and I'm an IP litigator with decades of experience. The reason I recorded this video is I want to help other legal professionals use WhatsApp in a way that enhances their professional life and helps them connect with fellow practitioners. And the first thing you really need to do once you start using WhatsApp is to update your profile. Otherwise, you get defaulted to sort of these generic types of fields that they use. It's just not compelling, and it doesn't present itself professionally. But luckily, it's fairly easy to fix that, and that's what I'm going to try to help you do today. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen here. I'm actually going to share my iPhone screen. So you will see my iPhone, but you will not see my finger because I'm just I'm mirroring the actual screen image of my iPhone. But I'll tell you what I'm doing so you can follow along. And actually, I recommend you go ahead and pull out your phone, pause this video, pull out your phone, and let's do this together. It's going to be a lot easier that way, trust me. So if you look at the bottom right, I've got the icon for WhatsApp there. I like to keep it among my handful of favorites with the phone and the email and the texting app because I use it a lot. Okay, tap on that. You'll pull up your WhatsApp. Then you'll click on Settings, tap on Settings in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And now here's where we make those changes. The way you do this in WhatsApp is you actually click on the relevant portion of the screen. So I'm going to now tap on where you see my name and my picture, that sort of white rectangle above avatar, not avatar, but above avatar, where you see all that information. You're going to tap on that. And now first thing you're going to do is change your profile picture from the default. Click on that green edit below the picture. Now what you're going to do is tap edit again in the upper right hand corner. Then you're going to choose photo from that list, tap on that. And now you're going to get into your Photos app. What I recommend is that you save, even if you've already saved your profile picture to your photos at some point, do it again. That way it's right there at the top. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. So I recommend you do that. I'm going to cancel out of here, but you would select, you tap on one of the pictures like this. Obviously, that would not be a very good profile photo, but if that had been yours, you would choose that. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to cancel out of here. By the way, please do get a professional profile picture. I know it's fun on some social media to have, a wacky picture or whatever, or something where you're having fun. And if you want to do that, great. I've just always found that when I'm in my lawyer zone, being a lawyer, I think you never know. Many people still prefer a professional looking photograph. That's just my personal recommendation, your choice, but that's what I recommend. And they're not that expensive to get them done at a studio. So I do recommend that. Okay, so I'm going to back out of here and go back to the profile screen. By the way, if you ever get lost or whatever, just hit settings again and start over and get back to this screen. It's not that hard to find. Then next thing you want to do is tap on your name or what might be there in lieu of your name, depending on what WhatsApp defaults to. Tap on the name, and then your little keyboard should pop up, and you can back out of back over whatever's there, delete, and then type in your name. By the way, I use my sort of nickname, Chris, not Christopher. Don't use my middle name. This is what people know me by, so I find that easier. But again, that's a matter of your own personal preference. So phone number you can't change. That's built into the system, but I guess it's there to remind you. So the next thing you're gonna do is click on the About section. So click below the word About in that white rectangle. You'll see there's a description there. There's some sort of silly or generic defaults that WhatsApp has in there. I don't like those. I don't use them at all. In fact, I deleted them, but so I don't use them at all. But some people do. But I would normally use your professional headline, as people call it. So click on here. It's sort of tricky. This is sort of weird about WhatsApp. It makes it look like it sort of looks like you can only select from some pre-existing ones, but that is not the case. What you do instead is tap again where it says currently set to, tap your finger in that white rectangle. And then again, you'll be in an editing field where you can put whatever you want. A lot of times in WhatsApp, you only see the first few letters. That's why I have a highly abbreviated one. So I just have IP lit plus OGC, which I think most lawyers would get, stands for IP litigator and outside general counsel. So I guess it could be a little inscrutable to some, but I choose, I guess, the ability to see that headline readily when using the app, and because most times people aren't going to tap on something and look at the whole thing. So anyway, that's just, again, personal preference. But that's it. You would change your headline, you would hit save. I'm going to cancel again because I think I'm happy with mine for now. And that's it. And now whenever you are using WhatsApp for various purposes, you'll have that professional profile picture, your name, and a little bit about you, because if people don't remember who you are, they can't send you business, they can't hire you, right? So it's just a very basic function of getting on a platform like WhatsApp. So anyway, thank you so much. If you want to learn more about me, you can go to www.practice.com, go to attorneys, find me, or you can email me, chris.colvin@practice.com. Well, thanks a lot. I hope this was helpful. And look, I really do love meeting with other lawyers, either virtually or in the real world. I happen to live in Brooklyn, New York. So anyone in the New York metro area, I'm happy to meet up with you if you're in the legal field, or reach out to me, email me, or find me on WhatsApp or on LinkedIn, and we can chat virtually or in the real world, whatever you prefer. Thanks again, and I really hope this has been a helpful tutorial on how to update your profile on WhatsApp for professional purposes. Thank you very much and have a great day.